Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to remind you how we get on our new spelling app. So you can see this is the front page of my iPad. In the bottom left corner, remember it's not spelling city, now it is Kids A to Z. So we click on that little robot, Kids A to Z. Then you choose your teacher. We chose our teacher in class before Christmas break, so mine is M. Lorenz 9. That's your teacher's name. Once you have chosen your teacher, it will save at the bottom and you will always be able to click on that. So if you need to type it in, pause the video and type in M-L-O-R-E-N-Z 9. Then you will click on your teacher. Once you click on your teacher, all of these icons will come up. So find your name, find your LSC username. I'm going to click Anna's. So if I click on Anna, then her password comes up. So I'm going to type in her password. Remember, this password is on the back of your iPad. It's your LSC username and password. Then I will click Go, and this screen will come up. When this screen comes up, I will then click Vocabulary, okay? Then there will be one assignment that comes up. This is the Civil Rights Movement 1 through 5. As we start to get in the civil rights, we will have 5 words for 1 week, and then you will be tested. But how this is going to work is if you click on it, so go back, click on the square, there will always be one there for you. You will work through these assignments. There are 2, 4, 6, and then the test. There are 6 assignments and then the test. So this is here for the whole week. So I would suggest you do 2 assignments a day, and you have to complete one before moving on to the other one. If you want to view your list, click Word List at the top, and here are the 5. Let's listen to them.
Peaceful, protest, nonviolence, legacy, reverend.
So these are the 5 words that come up. So you will work through these activities throughout the week, and then you will do spelling. I suggest you do spelling at the end of the week so that the spelling test at the end of the week so that you can practice these words. Remember to be practicing them at home as well.